Guys, what is going on? Tonight we are in Albany, New York. It's a Friday night. It's between 8 and 9 o'clock, and we're going to go check out the city of Albany, see what's going on. We're going to go down by Central, going to go down by Lark. We're going to take a drive around. I tried to make the video as short as possible, but also you guys get some nice views. Nighttime is beautiful, and this is one of the things that attracted me to this city. The architecture and some of the places downtown are just, I love it. That's me. So I fell in love with that. But, one thing I will say is it looks a little sketchy out there. Not a lot going on. A lot of businesses look like they're closed down. Comment below. Let us know what you think. Let us know the difference, especially if you lived here before or live here now. Let us know what the differences you think of back in the day to now are. All right, we'll see you at the end of the video. Peace. All right, that's it for tonight. What do you guys think? You guys think this is beautiful at nighttime? I love the look of it. I love the buildings and things like that. But, you know, it would be nice to see, you know, the evening time a little bit more livelier. It was a little cold tonight, but it wasn't that cold. It was only like 8 or 9 o'clock. So, you know, kind of hard to see things close down and things like that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.